St. Croix,
6:14 p.m.
Dunn County.
The storm was located near Glenwood City, or 19 miles northwest of Menominee, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Dunn County is going to activate.
Include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Dunn and
The
St.
following
Croix.
effects are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Boyceville around 6:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's dang it, you made a letter rip.
This is weather radio station WXJ88, serving west central Wisconsin. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Tudor, or 23 miles northeast of Eau Claire, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Boyd around 8 p.m.
Where's local government?
Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Stanley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Out now.
Radio station WXJ.
What was that?
Serving west central.
What was that? Oh, they pronounced trouble.
At 9:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rowling Stone, or near Winona, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour
Winona went off.
and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Winona, Goodview, and Fountain City around 10:05 p.m. Arcadia around 10:35 p.m. Galesville around 10:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.